Waterfront, new to the market, this charming custom-built 3-bedroom, 3-bath home offers a large lot and water frontage on Coonamessett Pond surrounded with mature and beautiful perennial gardens. Enter through the front door to a spacious living room. An open floor plan kitchen and dining room is just ahead, which then opens to a beautiful sunroom with lovely views of the pond, and a fireplace for added charm. Den/bonus room is located on first floor with a hall bath. The second floor offers 3 additional bedrooms, one being the primary bedroom with a bath, connected office and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and a bath are on the second floor. The current owner is a master gardener, and perennial plantings decorate the landscape in abundance. Includes a 2-car garage, walkout lower level, and garden shed with a beautiful path to your own beach on the pond.